Welcome back to Coach's Griddle. This morning I am making some peaches and cream pancakes. So first thing I'm going to do is do my cream cheese stuff. So I got 2.5 ounces of cream cheese, about 2 tablespoons of butter, a little bit of milk, and a cap full of vanilla that I'm going to mix. So now I'm going to add a little bit of powdered sugar. I'm going to add just a little bit more to get a little thicker, and then I'm going to add some peaches. Alright, so there's that. Key here is just add a little bit of confectioner's sugar, powdered sugar, until you get it to the consistency that you want it. So now I got some peaches that I've chopped up. I'm going to add some of those, blend that in. So I chopped up 1 peach. I put half of it in here, and I'm putting half of it in my pancake batter. So I'm going to put this in the fridge and let it get cold while I'm cooking my pancakes. Alright, so we're back doing our peaches and cream pancakes. So I'm going to put a little butter down for my peaches. I'm going to cook some peaches just to add to the top of my pancakes. I also have some chopped up inside the pancake batter, but just not much. Also going to put down some butter for my pancakes. I got my temperature on about medium. We're gonna get our peaches down. Alright, before we get some pancakes down, so we just got some biscuit batter for our pancakes, nothing special. But I did add some peaches to them. So.
Well, it might be a little different because it has a little bit of peaches in it.
Yeah.
And then we'll have some peaches.
Inside I got some, I made some cream cheese and some powdered sugar with some peaches for my peaches and cream, part of the cream part of my pancakes. Put these pancakes, I think they're about ready. So what y'all having for breakfast this morning?
Both of them were dead.
Huh?
Both of them were dead.
Yeah. Okay there.
I'm starving.
Me too. These are the big pancakes. Whose pancake is this?
Daddy. I was holding this because I want to go inside and fix the thing I was making for
You want to finish the card?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that. Alright, so go ahead and take my peaches off. They're cooked pretty good. All I really want to do is just get them a little bit of a softer so they're easy to eat with our pancakes. This big pancake. This is our mimosa tree that is covered in butterflies every single day. Hummingbirds. Alright, so we're going to take these up, go inside, and construct our pancakes. First, clean up. A lot of people put too much focus on cleaning. Not that difficult. Just pretty much just something like pancakes, just scrape it down. You don't have to put a bunch of water or anything. I try to use water as little as possible in cleaning unless something's just really, really stuck. But lately I've been, if something's stuck, I take a little bit of oil and squirt it on and just rub it around where it's stuck. Cut the heat up just a little bit, and usually the oil will get it up just like without really steaming it. It just helps to lift it up. So, and that's it. That's all you gotta do to clean. Peaches inside. So here, just took a little bit of the cream cheese and peaches and powdered sugar, spreading it around. Sort of like our stuffed French toast the other week.
Kind of, but I don't like too sweet stuff.
And we'll throw a pancake on top. Throw a couple peaches. And we're gonna hit it with a little powdered sugar.
Are your hands washed? That looks like a bunch of guys.
Yeah, I like it. So here are peaches and cream pancakes.